मैं कल बाजार जाऊंगा। I will go to the market tomorrow. I will go to the market tomorrow. वह अगले हफ्ते एक नई कार खरीदेगा। He will buy a new car next week. He will buy a new car next week. हम अगले महीने एक नए घर में शिफ्ट होंगे। We will shift to a new home next month. We will shift to a new home next month. वे शाम तक यहाँ पहुँच जाएंगे। They will arrive here by evening. They will arrive here by evening. कल बहुत तेज बारिश होगी। It will rain very heavily tomorrow. It will rain very heavily tomorrow. सोनिया अपना होमवर्क समय पर पूरा करेगी। Sonia will complete her homework on time. Sonia will complete her homework on time. सूरज पश्चिम में ढलेगा। The sun will set in the west. The sun will set in the west. सभी छात्र कल पिकनिक पर जाएंगे। All students will go on a picnic tomorrow. All students will go on a picnic tomorrow. मैं तुम्हें एक अच्छा उपहार दूंगा। I will give you a nice gift. I will give you a nice gift. वह इस साल अपनी पढ़ाई पूरी करेगी। She will complete her studies this year. She will complete her studies this year. मैं कल बाजार नहीं जाऊंगा। I will not go to the market tomorrow. I will not go to the market tomorrow. वह मेरी मदद नहीं करेगा। He will not help me. He will not help me. वे इस फिल्म को नहीं देखेंगे। They will not watch this film. They will not watch this film. मैं आज रात पढ़ाई नहीं करूंगा। I will not study tonight. I will not study tonight. वह स्टेशन पर हमारा इंतजार नहीं करेगी। She will not wait for us at the station. She will not wait for us at the station. हम उनसे बात नहीं करेंगे। We will not talk to them. We will not talk to them. वे इस प्रस्ताव को स्वीकार नहीं करेंगे। They will not accept this proposal. They will not accept this proposal. तुम ये काम कभी नहीं करोगे। You will never do this work. You will never do this work. सरकार नए नियम लागू नहीं करेगी। The government will not implement new rules. The government will not implement new rules. मैं उस पार्टी में शामिल नहीं होऊंगा। I will not attend that party. I will not attend that party. वे लोग हमें परेशान नहीं करेंगे। They will not bother us. They will not bother us. मैं कल सुबह 5 बजे उठूंगा। I will wake up at 5 o'clock tomorrow morning. I will wake up at 5 o'clock tomorrow morning. वे अगले सप्ताह एक नया व्यवसाय शुरू करेंगे। They will start a new business next week. They will start a new business next week. क्या तुम सच बोलोगे? Will you tell the truth? Will you tell the truth? सरकार जल्द ही एक नई नीति घोषित करेगी। The government will announce a new policy soon. The government will announce a new policy soon. हम आज रात एक विज्ञान फिक्शन फिल्म देखेंगे। We will watch a science fiction movie tonight. We will watch a science fiction movie tonight. वह अगले महीने अपनी PhD पूरी कर लेगा। He will complete his PhD next month. He will complete his PhD next month. बच्चे मैदान में पतंग नहीं उड़ाएंगे। The children will not fly kites in the field. The children will not fly kites in the field. क्या वह समय पर अपनी गलती स्वीकार करेगी? Will she admit her mistake on time? Will she admit her mistake on time? तुम भविष्य में क्या बनना चाहोगे? What will you want to become in the future? What will you want to become in the future? मैं तुम्हारे बिना इस बैठक में शामिल नहीं होऊंगा। I will not attend this meeting without you. I will not attend this meeting without you. सुनार सोने के हार को चमकाएगा। The goldsmith will polish the gold necklace. The goldsmith will polish the gold necklace. यात्री अपनी सुरक्षा के लिए सीट बेल्ट बांधेंगे। Passengers will fasten their seat belts for their safety. Passengers will fasten their seat belts for their safety. किसान मानसून आने पर खेत जोतेंगे। The farmers will plow the fields when the monsoon arrives. The farmers will plow the fields when the monsoon arrives. वो एक गहरी सांस लेगी और शांत रहेगी। She will take a deep breath and remain calm. She will take a deep breath and remain calm. कौन इस रहस्य को सुलझाएगा? Who will solve this mystery? Who will solve this mystery? हम उस पुरानी गुफा का पता लगाएंगे। We will explore that ancient cave. We will explore that ancient cave. डॉक्टर मरीज को तुरंत ऑपरेशन के लिए तैयार करेंगे। The doctors will prepare the patient for surgery immediately. The doctors will prepare the patient for surgery immediately. क्या तुम मेरी अनुपस्थिति में मेरे काम का ध्यान रखोगे? Will you look after my work in my absence? Will you look after my work in my absence? वे अपना समय व्यर्थ की बातों में बर्बाद नहीं करेंगे। They will not waste their time on trivial matters. They will not waste their time on trivial matters. मैं इस अवसर को हाथ से जाने नहीं दूंगा। I will not let this opportunity slip away. I will not let this opportunity slip away. भूकंप आने पर हम क्या करेंगे? What will we do if an earthquake occurs? What will we do if an earthquake occurs? वह इस कठिन परीक्षा को आसानी से पार कर लेगा। He will pass this difficult exam easily. He will pass this difficult exam easily. मैं तुम्हें इस परियोजना में सहयोग दूंगा। I will cooperate with you on this project. I will cooperate with you on this project. अध्यापक सभी छात्रों को पुरस्कृत करेंगे। The teacher will reward all the students. The teacher will reward all the students. ये कंपनी अगली तिमाही में कई कर्मचारियों को नियुक्त करेगी। This company will hire many employees next quarter. This company will hire many employees next quarter. तुम्हें अपने वादे निभाने होंगे। You will have to keep your promises. You will have to keep your promises. क्या वह हमें अपनी नई किताब समर्पित करेगी? Will she dedicate her new book to us? Will she dedicate her new book to us? हम इस मामले पर फिर कभी बहस नहीं करेंगे। We will not debate this matter ever again. We will not debate this matter ever again. वह जल्द ही विदेश में एक विश्वविद्यालय में दाखिला लेगा। He will enroll in a university abroad soon. He will enroll in a university abroad soon. तुम इस महत्वपूर्ण दस्तावेज को कहाँ रखोगे? Where will you keep this important document? Where will you keep this important document? मैं ये भारी बक्सा खुद ही उठाऊंगा। I will lift this heavy box myself. I will lift this heavy box myself. उन्होंने कहा कि वे कल लौटेंगे। They said they will return tomorrow. They said they will return tomorrow. क्या बारिश हमारे पिकनिक को बर्बाद कर देगी? Will the rain spoil our picnic? Will the rain spoil our picnic? विद्यार्थी पुस्तकालय से पाठ्य पुस्तकें उधार लेंगे। The students will borrow textbooks from the library. The students will borrow textbooks from the library. वह इस पुरानी इमारत का नवीनीकरण करेगी. She will renovate this old building. She will renovate this old building. मैं किसी भी चुनौती का सामना करने से नहीं डरूंगा. I will not fear facing any challenge. I will not fear facing any challenge. क्या वे बिना पूछे कमरे में प्रवेश करेंगे? Will they enter the room without asking? Will they enter the room without asking? वे 1 घंटे के भीतर हवाई अड्डे पर पहुंचेंगे. They will arrive at the airport within an hour. They will arrive at the airport within an hour. माता पिता अपने बच्चों को हर संभव तरीके से समर्थन देंगे. The parents will support their children in every possible way. The parents will support their children in every possible way. तुम ये जटिल समीकरण कैसे हल करोगे? How will you solve this complex equation? How will you solve this complex equation? चोर पुलिस को देखकर भाग जाएगा. The thief will run away after seeing the police. The thief will run away after seeing the police. मैं तुम्हारी सलाह को ध्यान से सुनूंगा. I will listen to your advice carefully. I will listen to your advice carefully. क्या आप मुझे डाकघर का रास्ता बताएंगे? Will you tell me the way to the post office? Will you tell me the way to the post office? वह अपनी पिछली गलतियों से सीखेगा. He will learn from his past mistakes. He will learn from his past mistakes. हम पर्यावरण की रक्षा के लिए पेड़ लगाएंगे. We will plant trees to protect the environment. We will plant trees to protect the environment. मैं अपनी हार स्वीकार नहीं करूंगा. I will not accept my defeat. I will not accept my defeat. कंपनी इस साल अपने लाभ का एक हिस्सा दान करेगी. The company will donate a portion of its profit this year. The company will donate a portion of its profit this year. कौन इस कमरे को सजाएगा? Who will decorate this room? Who will decorate this room? तुम अपना भविष्य कैसे सुरक्षित करोगे? How will you secure your future? How will you secure your future? सरकार गरीबों के लिए सब्सिडी प्रदान करेगी. The government will provide subsidies for the poor. The government will provide subsidies for the poor. Thanks for watching this video.